Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today in this video, we will learn SVG graphic in WinCC. Whether you are a beginner or experienced engineer, SVG graphic can take your SCADA project to the next level. So let's get started. So what is SVG? SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphic. It is a widely used format for creating two-dimensional vector images that are not only high in quality but also incredible flexible. SVG images can be scaled infinite without losing any resolution. This makes them perfect for use in various screen sizes and resolutions, especially in the SCADA system like WinCC. This functionality we cannot achieve through other images like JPG or PNG. So why we use SVG in WinCC? So we should uh, consider using SVG graphic in WinCC project. There is a three main reason: scalability. SVG graphic remains sharp and clear no matter how much you zoom in or out. This is particularly useful when you create detailed process diagram or interface. Customization. SVG files are XML based, which means they are easily to edit, customize. You can modify in any text editor or design software like Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape. Performance. SVG graphics are lightweight and efficient, reduce the load on your system while maintaining high visual quality. Now, let's go into a practical part, how to use SVG graphic in WinCC. Here are a step-by-step tutorial for you. So as you can see here in this tutorial, we are using SVG images in our this tutorial. We will learn in this tutorial how we can import SVG image from the SVG library of the WinCC and how we can animate it. As you can see, this pump image is a SVG image. So WinCC Explorer will open it. Then come here in the graphic designer. In the previous tutorial, we already developed a main screen. So we'll open the same. The graphic designer screen is open now. Here you can see I take this SVG image. So I will remove it. So I will guide you how we can import SVG image in our project. So you have to come here in the SVG library, and inside library you will find these two of the libraries, library version 1 and version 2. I will select the version 2, and after that you have to come down and you have to select it here, the pumps. Okay, once load, I will select this spool pump option and select and drag and drop it here. So now I will resize our pump. And I will place it here. Perfect. So now I will come here in the simple property and the basic color. Right now, if you want to change in the this color, from here you can select any type of color. I will put it just red. So you can change the color. It depends on your project to project which color you want. But I will just keep repeating the same old color, gray. Now I want once my input signal is came, then this pump color should change. So how I can change it? Basic color, then dynamic, right click and dynamic dialog, and I will select first my tag, and my tag name is pump one feedback, and then I will select the boolean. So once the value, double click here in the true area, once the value is true, then this color should be green. And once the value is false, I want same this gray color. You can select any of the color depending on your project requirement. Click OK and then save it and then run the project. So I will on my input signal. So as you can see, I will also on this wall also. So as you can see here, once the value is true, then my SVG pump images change. If my value is false, then the my SVG pump is again become gray. So Alhamdulillah, we learned how we can import SVG images inside the WinCC SCADA, how we can use the default SVG library inside the WinCC. So SVG graphic offer a powerful and flexible way to enhance your WinCC project in form of scalability to dynamic interaction, and the possibility in are the endless if you are using the SVG graphics. Thanks for watching this video.